open my eyes. I get out of bed. I stand on the floor. I stretch my arms. I step into the bathroom. I wash my face. I dry my face. I look in the mirror. I pick up my toothbrush. I brush my teeth. I wash my hands. I dry my hands. I open the bathroom door. I leave the bathroom. I walk to my bedroom. I open my wardrobe. I choose my clothes. I put on my shirt. I comb my hair. I look out the window. I walk into the kitchen. I open a cupboard. I take out a glass. I pour some water. I drink the water. I put the glass in the sink. I open the fridge. I take out some bread. I slice the bread. I eat my bread. I chew slowly. I swallow my food. I close the fridge.